on a relaxing cruise? Perfect cruise.
Yeah, perfect.
Wait, everything's fine?
Yeah, sorry for disobeying your orders to, do nothing, playing with toys.
A Burp and Beluga, baby!
Oh, come on!
What's the holdup? Cut me loose.
Oh, no! I know that look. BB's gonna blow!
Ah! Gross! And that's why you don't give her too many cookies.